Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by addressing the mouth environment. Rinse and brush right away to remove overnight film that amplifies metallic sensations. Once done, sip 8-12 Oz of water slowly to dilute residues and normalize saliva flow, and then eat a small citrus, mint, or ginger snack to reset taste receptors. Make sure to avoid strong coffee or concentrated iron supplements on an empty stomach, because those flavors can worsen metallic notes. These first moves reduce intensity within minutes and prepare you for the next steps. You now focus on ongoing adjustments. Brush with fluoride toothpaste and consider a gentle baking soda. Rinse once or twice daily to neutralize acids that change taste. Next, make food choices that mask metallic notes. Cold, tart, or bland items often register as less metallic. Slice proteins small so you sense texture more than taste. Also, chew sugar-free gum or suck on a lemon or mint candy between meals to stimulate saliva and retrain receptors. These tactics lessen persistence over hours and days. You finish by consolidating gains and planning next steps. Log foods, times, and intensity so you identify repeat triggers and patterns. If the metallic taste persists despite practical measures, make sure to consult your provider. They may check for B12 deficiency, zinc status, or medication interactions that can cause dysgeusia. Finally, if nasal congestion or sinus issues accompany the taste, try saline nasal rinses to clear smell pathways. And remember this troubleshooting step: if simple fixes don't resolve the problem within a couple of weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.